What's up guys, and welcome on board Harmony of the Seas. Today we're going to be showing you around cabin 11643. This is a beautiful Central Park balcony. I'm so excited to show you a little bit of the amenities and features that this room is going to have for us this week. So first, coming in, we open up to a nice big open floor plan. The big thing that we noticed almost immediately was the closets. The closets normally sit here when you walk into pretty much any cruise cabin, any Royal Caribbean cruise cabin, certainly. But what they've done here on Harmony is they've split them on either side of the couch, and it's actually a full-size closet. So Peter can have one, I can have one. We've actually even got some drawers down below here. But just that simple act of doing that, it makes this room feel so much more open and just longer, bigger in every way. I really like it already. The bathroom also, they put it at like an angle, at a slant. And again, I don't know, it feels bigger and open. Maybe it's not, maybe it's an optical illusion or a better way of utilizing the space. Either way, I'm really happy with it. So I guess we'll take a look at the bathroom first, since it is technically the first thing that you'll come to when you come in. So coming into the bathroom, first off, Royal Caribbean has done a fantastic job, their housekeeping team, with keeping it clean. It smells like clean Clorox bleach in here, which is, as many of you know, very, very important these days. You definitely want everything to be nice and clean and sanitary. And they're doing a great job with that here. Coming in, it looks like we've got our standard amenities features. So you do have some towels, some extra soaps, 2 water glasses. They keep the little lids on it to kind of keep the dust out and keep anything else, any splashes or anything out of those cups for you, so they're nice and clean. You need some extra sanitary wipes or anything like that. That's down in the bottom for you. And we have 1, 2, 3 counters. It looks like, it's got a 15 volt, so that would be used for like a razor, like an electric razor or something like that. Maybe a blow dryer. But I think the blow dryer should, ooh, wait, where is the blow dryer at? We have to find the blow dryer. It would be in the top drawer, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Mr. Peter's on the camera today. Say hi, Peter. Are you enjoying this room tour with us?
I am. It's a very nice room.
Yes, it's very nice. Another really nice thing that I like is this big glass door for the shower. Long gone are the days of the flimsy shower curtain that sticks to you while you're bathing. It's really, really nice. It makes it feel really open and now I'm trapped. Get me out of here. We also do have Royal Caribbean's 2-in-1 hair and body wash soap there for you. So if you forget your soap at home, not to worry, Royal Caribbean has got you covered. Moving on this way into the room. Now actually I am going to shut the curtains for a second. That way you guys can see me a little better. There we go, that's better. Moving on in throughout the room, we do have our desk, our entertainment center over here. We've got 2 USB outlets available for charging those cell phones, those camcorders, things like that. You've got 1, 2, 3 standard US outlets and an international European outlet there for you. Looks like this is probably just the vanity light mirror. Of course, we've got our embarkation day, welcome aboard documentation, our shore excursion tickets, our platinum and VIP invite events, of course your daily cruise compass, internet, all that stuff going to be here for you at the desk. Something unique with the season right now is 2 complimentary Royal Caribbean face masks. It's also a really, really nice touch. Moving over into the drawer section of the entertainment stand. Look, Peter.
Oh my gosh.
There's what you were looking for.
We'll be doing that tomorrow.
So Peter really wants to order room service. So there's your breakfast menus. You can do it as early as 6 a.m. You can have it delivered to you.
Look at all the options.
And yeah, look at all those options that you can get. Very, very nice.
Great.
That's cool, yeah. So yep, you just hang that outside your door the night before and they will take care of it. Continental breakfast is complimentary, it says. American breakfast has a delivery fee of $7.95 per room, and an 18% gratuity is additional and will automatically be added to your check. So do keep that in mind if you're thinking about ordering room service. Continental, though, is included in complimentary.
Oh, I think you said Continental is...
No, Continental is included. There's that hair dryer we were looking for, so it is in that top drawer there. Also some Kleenexes if you should need those. And then we've got 1, 2, and 3 drawers there. Maybe you put some socks, some undergarments, some small things like that I think would go great there. In here we've got not a fridge it says, but a cooler. And something really interesting that we have found, I've never seen it before, is this fridge actually has a lock keypad on it. So you can punch in a code and now it's locked, right? And so in order to unlock it, we've got to punch in that code again. And now it's unlocked. Very interesting. I hadn't really seen that before. Looks like it's going to blow up now. I think our couch is a bed. It is, so they would just take the pillows off and put the bed sheet on it. Of course, it'll just be me and Peter staying in this room, but you know, you do have the option, I guess, to go with a third person. And yeah, the picture frame is really, really nice. Again, everything's smelling very clean. Closets, like I said, very nice and open. We will be having the beds separated. Peter and I, you know, they'll make these into two instead of into one king bed, so it'll be 2 twin beds or 2 double beds, I guess is what it would be.
I love the color scheme in here.
It is
the blues
very, very
and
nice.
the dark grays, and
It's very nice,
very
yeah, the
modern
dark woods
looking.
and everything.
Yeah,
it's
very
very
modern.
nice. We do have an outlet by this side of the bed, so if you do have a CPAP or a breathing machine, anything like that, you do have an outlet close by to the bed for that. Just, you know, a couple more pieces of information for us, like the entertainment. This is for if you want to get dry cleaning or anything like that. And then, of course, the reason that you would book this room over any other stateroom on board Harmony of the Seas is the balcony. Come on out, let's take a look at this beautiful Central Park balcony. The door handle here, you just turn it to the up position, give it a nice tug open, and let's come on out. Let's check out our beautiful Central Park view. Oh, this is so nice, Peter, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that, he's already relaxing.
They got like the little.
Oh, yeah, so you can have like
And then
the
the
leg
chairs
portion
come back.
come out. Oh man, so you've got like our own lounge chair out here. This is a very deep balcony. I know it probably doesn't do it justice on the camera,
Wide.
but it's a very deep balcony. We've got a whole table out here. Peter's gonna put that to good use, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning with his little breakfast. He's so excited for it. We're just across from Chops Grill, just to give you an idea of the location. And guys, that is a little inside look at our cabin here on Harmony of the Seas. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe down below. Click that notification bell so you get all updates on all of our videos coming from Harmony of the Seas. And until the next time, my name is Josh with Mr. Peter helping out today. This video's been real, it's been fun. This video's been
Real fun.
and we'll see you in the next one.